Why do your photos suck? Why do all of our photos suck sometimes? You can't hit it 100% every time. Today we're going to talk a little bit about why our photos suck, or maybe why they're just not working so well. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginning photographer or if you're a professional and advanced person. These are some considerations to make that can make your photos more legible, readable, and successful. 1, consider your lighting. Artificial light has a lot of problems. Tungsten can read overly warm, fluorescent can come across as a sickly green. Always ask yourself, is my light flattering? Is it placed in a way that enhances the read of my subject? 2, embrace natural light. Magic Hour offers itself up twice a day as the sun rises and sets. This places natural light right at the horizon, giving a nuanced, ethereal feel to photos. And if you'd like to make a bold statement, the harsh light of the afternoon sun can be your friend. 3, keep it sharp. Lots of folks recommend shooting at least a 60th or 125th of a second to minimize blur. Now, sharp, blur-free images aren't required for great photos, but sharpness can really do a lot for readability. 4, use strong composition. Start with the rule of thirds. Try your subject center, left, and right. How you frame up what's in front of you deeply affects the image. Also, avoid unflattering angles. They're unflattering. Now, if you're looking for inspiration, look to work from photographers who you admire. What speaks to you about them? What's working in them? Composition is so important. 5, stop over-processing your photos. Going heavy with Instagram filters and Lightroom presets can have diminishing returns. Remember, the very first edit happens in the camera. Post-production should always be in service of that. 6, now, I'm the first to say that it's not about the camera. It's about the photographer. You are the difference between making a good photograph and a great photograph. Killer photos can be made with an iPhone, but that being said, photography is not always about the camera, but sometimes it is. It can be a bit about the camera. Better cameras give you more creative flexibility, more choices, more ways to fail and get yourself back up again. Essentially, a better camera can help step up your photo game. 7, get out of your comfort zone. You're stuck on a subject? Try something different. You can always come back to the original thing later. Landscapes are great. Portraits are great. Street photography is great. All genres of photography stand to help us explore our curiosity about the world. Get out there and make something different. Not only will this expand your view of the world, it can also change the way that you see yourself in it. So what are your tips on making photographs that don't suck? Let us know in the comments below, and if you haven't already, make sure and subscribe. I'm photographer David Flores. See you next time.